He's up. He does that sometimes. He's a soft landing. Till he's buried himself under the duvet scared. It's okay, Teddy. It wasn't you. Ted, it wasn't you. It's okay. He does it all the time on the bed. He's learning to sit. So Nathan, this is Teddy. He's Morning Dog. That's his name. He always comes and sees us in the morning. Would you like to see another dog? Let me see if I can get Sensory Dog up. That's Nico. He's going back to sleep, bless him. You have a good look around, aren't you? I'm going to shout. Nico, come here! Nico, come! I can hear her footsteps, she's coming. Come on, Nico! He's here. Hi, Nico, coming up! Nico! Come on! Teddy, let her up. This is Sensory Dog. Nathan's like, what? Alright, are we playing? Are they playing this morning? Let Nico and Teddy have a play. Then they'll give you some attention. And that is Nico. She's also known as Pillow Dog. She is also known as your pillow. Teddy's your play toy. Nico's the one that you rest on. She's the one that keeps you safe. And they're off. They're much calmer when they're one-on-one. Ah, rah, rah, rah. Should we see if you can roll over? Yeah? Don't kick that leg, that's it. And just go on the side. Okay, I'm going to help you. Right. Nathan, are you ready? Give me your hand. Come on, you can do it. Look at my finger. Now, bow. Bow, bow, bow. Whoa, Nathan rolled over. Put his hand up. That's it. That's it. Look at you go. You did it. Well done. Okay, look, is it too soft to do tummy time? Is the bed too cushiony? Need a harder base. Ready? Look me back. Oh, zoom. Hello. Hi. Mama? No.